Hello everyone, I'm Dr. James D. Christosik. I'm a board certified chiropractor. I'm also the director of the Solon Health Recovery Center here in Northeast Ohio. I'm the author of several books on natural medicine and nutrition, and I'm also the host of the radio program The Other Side of Medicine here in Northeast Ohio on 1220 WHKW. Today I'd like to talk to you about professional colon hydrotherapy. Colon hydrotherapy is an all-natural alternative medical therapy that basically washes out the colon with purified water and helps to remove toxins and also parasites and impurities, and it restores the colon health and optimizes colon health. In the past, colon hydrotherapy used to be used routinely here in the United States in doctors' offices as well as in hospitals here across the country. That is until medicines and surgery took foothold in the country, and then of course natural therapies like colon hydrotherapy took a back seat to those treatments. Today there are some facilities that still use colon hydrotherapy in hospitals to prepare patients for colonoscopies as well as treating fecal impactions. But for the most part, it's physicians like myself, functional medicine doctors, who use nutrition in their practice, who use colon hydrotherapy in their practices. And we have colon hydrotherapists that do this therapy in our offices. Basically what happens is the patient lays on a table comfortably, and the colon hydrotherapist introduces water into the colon, and the patient is very comfortable during this time. It's very relaxing, and it's about 45-minute therapy. And during this time the patient actually feels more energetic. They have a clear head, clear thinking, and they get a relief of gas and bloating as well as other benefits at the same time. During the colon hydrotherapy, in our clinic, we have what's called a closed system. Now, this is an FDA-approved system, and we've been using this since 1989. So we're leaders in the colon hydrotherapy here in Northeast Ohio. And this closed system is great because there's no embarrassing odors for the patient. The patient lies comfortably on the table. They don't have to get up off the table during the therapy. The water goes in one side of the tube, and the waste matter goes out the other side of the tube. So it's very relaxing, very comfortable, and not embarrassing for the patient. People on colon hydrotherapy often find that they lose weight. And it's true, they do lose weight, but we enhance that weight loss, amplify it, by doing a liver detoxification as along with the colon hydrotherapy. So the liver, you see, gets congested in many people who are overweight, and then of course the liver, which is a fat burning machine, actually becomes very sluggish, and it actually accumulates fat. And once the liver starts storing these fat, you get a fatty liver, and then of course the fat begins to accumulate in other parts of the body where you don't want it. So what we do is with the colon hydrotherapy, we work along with the liver detoxification, and it removes the toxins from the liver, gets the liver functioning again, and then we flush all the toxins out the colon, and people start to lose weight, and of course they get all the other benefits at the same time. Gastrointestinal problems are a major cause of health problems here in this country, and that's why there's such a renewed interest in colon hydrotherapy today. As a matter of fact, hospital emergency rooms, the number one reason people go to the hospital today for emergencies are for GI problems. So it's no surprise to find that people are trying to get colon hydrotherapy as an adjunct therapy to their natural treatments today. The benefits of colon hydrotherapy, as I mentioned earlier, are you get increased peristaltic action. That's the wave-like motion of the intestines which propels the food through the intestines. You also get rid of the gas and the bloating, and you'll also find that you'll have increased mental clarity, you'll have more energy. As I said earlier, you'll have weight loss, and you'll see just a general overall improvement in health. You'll also see a better skin tone because the fact that you hydrate with colon hydrotherapy, actually water is introduced to the colon, so you get more water into the system, as opposed to going through these colon cleansing products that you see on television and here on the radio, which actually cause you to lose water and electrolytes, and it can actually be harmful. So when you hear people going on colon cleanses, it's not a good idea to go on these herbal laxatives, because that's all they are, is glorified laxatives. It's better to get the cold hydrotherapy to hydrate the system. You don't lose electrolytes, and you actually improve overall health, and it's not at all harmful. So my suggestion is to take advantage of cold hydrotherapy, as well as take advantage of listening to my radio program, The Other Side of Medicine, which is on every Saturday morning from 9 o'clock till 10 o'clock a.m. on 1220 WHKW, and it's a great program. You'll learn a lot, and I encourage you to get to the program. Until then, I hope that you got something out of this discussion today, and here's to you and your family's health.